guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Supari, helping you to make money through online. So in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to earn money using Google Translator. It's nothing like translating one language to other language. It can be from any languages like Hindi to English or Portuguese to English or English to Portuguese. It can be of any language, just we need to translate it and earn money by doing that. So I'll show you exactly where we are going to get project. And for that, this strategy is all around, like anyone all around worldwide can use this strategy. And any country, either it may be India, Pakistan or Nepal, maybe Indonesia or Japan, anyone all over the world can make use of this strategy. So let's jump into the website. Today I'm going to talk about the website called Latium.org. I'll just put this website details in my description. You can give a look. It's quite easy to get signed up. What actually this website works on is like on bidding strategy. So there are a lot many projects available in this platform. So we need to bid for the work. For example, say if a translation job is posted and the job is posted in between $5 to $100, so we have to bid. Either you can do this job within $5 or $50 or $100. So you need to bid. So the lowest bid alternatively would be getting the work. So it's quite easy. As many as bids we go with, we need to put the low bidding itself. Why? Because we can easily get the work. So let's sign up and see what all things we get in this website. Just go to sign up option and click on sign up and get registered. It's quite easy. You will be getting an code to your email ID. Just put it over here after you sign up. It's quite easy, like you just sign up with other platforms called Facebook, Instagram, same in that manner itself. So after you sign up, our website looks in this manner. See, this is a Latium.org website looks under. Not only translation and languages, we have other options called where we can work is on websites and softwares, social and digital marketing, graphics and designs, surveys, and lot many things are there over here. You can work on any platform you need, like audio and music, data entry collection. See, you are also having data entry collection, but today our main focus is on translation and languages. So let us click on this translation and languages. Newest first. So these are the jobs available at present on this website. See, people are ready to pay $25 to $100 by translating this in USD, and there are a lot many types of payments over here. You would be getting in USD. There is an ETH option and the Bitcoin option, BTC. So we can easily convert this Bitcoins or ETH or LATEX into money. I'll show you exactly, not in this video but in my future videos. You will come to know how to make this Bitcoins into money. So there are a lot many projects available in this website. So let us click on one project. See, here there is a project. They are asking to translate Hindi to English. See, we need to translate FAQ into Hindi. You can find the FAQ question at click here. You'll need to add the English and Hindi version of a spreadsheet. So you need to place a bid for job to be assigned. You need to place a bid. They have asked in between $5 to $25. So we'll go and place a bid for $5 and place a bid. So once it is placed, not only on one platform, not only on one the work which we have got, we can place it on n number of things in the website. So there are a lot many options, lot many jobs available in this website. So I'm going to place on all the website. At the end of the day, I would be getting 1 or 2 rewards from these clients. So 5 plus 5, I'm easily making $10 per day. Okay, and I'll show you exactly how to translate it. For example, just now we have placed an order, like placed a bid. The lowest what they have mentioned over here, they have mentioned from $5 to $25, so I have mentioned $5. So after several posting on other jobs um, from this, I would be getting revert from one or two. For example, say I've got revert from this person stating they're asking to convert Hindi language to English language. So this is the document which we have got from them. So we need to convert this language, this Hindi document to English document. So just make a spreadsheet over here, and you need to log into, just Google it for Google Translator. After you search for Google Translator, you just select the languages. So I've got a project from Hindi to English, so I've selected Hindi to English translation. Now let's just copy this and paste it over here. See, it's quite easy. The job is done within seconds. Now I'm going to copy this and going to paste it in another spreadsheet. Done. I'm going to do the same with other things also. I'm just going to copy this, translate, copy, paste, copy, paste, sorry, paste, copy, paste. So it would be taking around like 25 to 30 minutes, or maybe for 45 minutes, and you can easily earn $5 within 45 minutes. See, it's quite easy. Just you need to copy paste using Google Translator, and copy from here and paste it in another spreadsheet, resize the text and the font size, and everything can be done within few clicks. Copy and paste it in the website where you have got the revert from the client. So just paste your document there and revert it back to them. So once it is confirmed from them, you would be receiving your $5. Maybe it can be in bitcoins or it can be in USD. So we can easily convert that into cash also, need not to worry. There would be an option in the website itself. So it's quite easy to earn $5 within 45 minutes. So try for nearly 5 to 6 projects on daily basis with this website. So you can earn nearly $30 per day. That's quite worth to earn $30 per day, just working for 3 to 4 hours. You can also make more by putting the strategy, like the bidding from not only $5. You can put the bid on $10, maybe on $20. So if in case you won't get revert, then the lowest bid would be the mandatory for us. Why? Because we can easily get the projects. My suggestion is to go with lowest bids. If the bid is within 5 to 25, then go for $5. Only go with the low bid, so that you get easily projects. So this is the strategy we have to follow, and the website details I would be mentioning it in the description. You can please go through it. But before that, do subscribe my channel and share with your friends who are in need of money and like to earn money through online. So this is the thing we need to discuss today. Take care. Bye bye. See you again.